Good morning, students. I am Vinay Kumar before you with the same topic, with the same chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. You already know, students, that by now paragraph 10th is completed. Now I am going to teach you from paragraph 11 to 14 today. Similarly, firstly I read out each lines from 11 to 14 paragraphs, then with the difficult words again I will teach you. Now carry on. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Now I proceed to the difficult words which are prepared by me. Now, chapter means a unit, interpretation means explanation, gravity means force of attraction between two objects. Eclipse means loss of light or a phase of solar cycle. Deflected means change of path by heating. Proclaim means announce. Scientific means relating to science. Revolution means change. Physics means scientific study of matter. Invitation means request formally. Honor means respect. Laud means praise. Immigrate means to leave a country permanently. Nuclear means relating to the nucleus of an atom. Fission means splitting of nucleus of an atom. Uproar means very upset. or a loud and impassioned noise. Atomic means relating to an atom. Bomb means a container filled with explosive substance for destruction. Coincided means happened at the same time. Showered means conferred. Provided means showed or presented. Build means make. Fled means ran away. Now come to the paragraph again with difficult words. The pair finally married in January 1903. Students, you already know that Einstein and Milivia. This is called the pair. Finally means at last, got married in the month of January in 1903 and had 2 sons, and after the marriage they had 2 sons. But a few years later, means after a few years, the marriage faltered means became weak. Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual means related to the mind, and ambition means a strong desire for success. So in this way, Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, and this was going on sterling continuously, constant means continuously, fighting means conflicting, the couple means the 2 persons finally divorced. Divorce means separated legally in 1919. And the same year Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. Now Einstein's new personal chapter means unit coincided means started the same time with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his General Theory of Relativity. You students know that Einstein had published 4 documents. In one there is also General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. You already know provided means presented. A new interpretation means explanation of gravity. You already know gravity means force of attraction between 2 objects. An eclipse means loss of light of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate means exact. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance means before this incident happened, the extent means extended to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected. Deflected means change direction because it hit something through the sun's gravitational field. The newspapers proclaimed means announced his work as the title A Scientific Revolution. Einstein received means got the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 and he was showered. Showered means conferred with honors. Honors means respect, and invitations. Invitations means request formally from all over the world, and lauded means praised by the press also. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated. Immigrated means to leave a country permanently to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery means invention of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. In an uproar means it means became upset. Become upset. Many of them had fled means ran away from fascism, like just as Einstein had done. And now they were afraid the Nazis could build means make and use an atomic bomb. Already you know atomic means relating to an atom, and bomb means a container filled with explosive substance for destruction. So today the class is over. Next day I start the rest paragraphs. Thank you for today. Keep safe and keep learning also. Thank you.